Antonio, have you been able to come up with something?
You want to see a drawing?
Let's see it. All right, let's see what Antonio
Okay,
did.
there it is. Can you see it?
Yes.
Excellent. So your network is the most valuable asset. And as a first example was the network of the doggies on the beach. So they're saying, I'm a great networker at the beach. So that's for all of you to remember that if you want to be a better networker, learn from dogs. Maybe just pay attention to what you're sniffing, okay? Then strategic networking, knowing who your people are and finding them and making business friends. I really wanted to capture the definition, the verbatim definition. So there's a little guy there saying, I know my people are out there. So he's checking out of the world. So you have to get out. So there's also the little turtle there. You have to get out. Now, sometimes it's just a little baby step. Sometimes you have to go and it feels like a leap, but you advance little by little, right? And then the 3 steps that it is shared with us today. Trust first. And there's somebody there saying, so I know I can find someone that is interesting or that can be interested on me. The second one, you connect and look for people that bring out the best in you. So there's an example there. She's saying, you're so interesting. And the other one is thinking, oh, who knew? I can be interesting. Well, sometimes it depends on who is the person that you're speaking with. And the last one is 1 ear towards the world and 1 ear internally. And there you have, there's one person listening to the other woman, but also she's listening to her heart reaction.
Oh
So
my
I hope
God.
that this vignette can help you to remember these interesting points that Edith has been sharing with us today.
Oh my God. That is so awesome.